Hey folks, today we're going to talk about the oil reservoir in a 2007 Mercury 135 Optimax engine, the oil reservoir. Here's the current oil reservoir that's in there now. One thing to notice is that the oil's not going all the way to the top when it is running. Actually, it should go all the way to the top, and you can see the label here that says that it should go all the way to the top. This is to put a new unit just like this, or the one I just showed you, in. Now, the engine will still run with this in it. However, you're taking a chance on your Guardian alarm system starting to go off or fault codes starting to show up. Replacement of this unit is fairly straightforward and easy. There's 3 bolts here, 1, 2, and 3 down here. You can see it right down there that you're going to have to take off. There's also a dual wire to your oil level sensor right here. Make sure you understand which wire goes to where. They are color coded. Make a note of which one goes to where on those color codings. The other thing is you have these hose lines here that you can see, 2 of them that need to be disconnected. You also need to worry about the oil in the system. So I use Optimax only oil, and so it's kind of spendy, so I'm definitely going to recover this. So one note for you on this oil reservoir. Try to take this screw out and then see if this continuity sensor will just pull out. What I found on my old one was there was some water and oil mixture, and it may have been screwing up the sensor, the reading of the sensor. So I would try pulling this out, cleaning it, spraying a little something in there, and cleaning it off, and then seeing if it goes all the way to the top when you fill it. Before I restart the engine, what I'm going to do is take this cap off here, give it some air, and as I start the engine, this is going to fill up and fill up and fill up. As soon as it gets to the very top, I'm going to tighten this cap back down. Alright folks, filled it up halfway. Bottle's about to get filled. Notice I got the cap a little bit loose there. You see the air coming out right here. It fills faster when this cap is open like this. When it gets just a little bit higher, I'm gonna close this cap off. And when it gets up to maybe about there, I'm gonna close the cap off. Here you can see after I've ran the engine, now it's cooled down. You can see how high the oil level is supposed to be.
Dancing circles in my mind without you.